Imagine looking up and seeing a 20-story wall of water. There is nowhere to run, because this is not a tsunami hitting a city. The entire Earth is becoming an ocean. Remember the giant wave from Interstellar? What if that wasn't another planet? What if it was Earth? Humanity survived, but every time one of these waves arrives, millions of lives depend on a single engineering system. Today, that system has failed. If nobody fixes it, the next mega wave could tear an entire city away. But before we find out whether that city survives, imagine a world where there are no continents left, where Earth's greatest cities have disappeared beneath the ocean, where humanity had to learn to live in the middle of it. But one question remains. How do you survive when a single storm wave can rise higher than a skyscraper? And what keeps an entire city from drifting away? Welcome to Water Planet. This is Alex. He's a structural engineer responsible for keeping entire floating cities secure. Today, one of the anchor systems has stopped responding. More than 12,000 people depend on it.
Megawave passed.
We're about to discover what really keeps an entire city alive in the middle of an endless ocean. So instead of building conventional cities, they surrounded every settlement with massive, protective breakwaters. These structures absorb the first impact of every wave, reduce its force, and channel millions of tons of water through giant spillways, generating electricity at the same time. But even that isn't enough. The final line of defense is the habitat itself. Its secret begins with its shape. A sphere distributes pressure evenly across the entire structure. Powerful reinforcing ribs act like the frame of an aircraft. Instead of fighting the wave, the dome allows it to flow around itself. But if these homes simply float, why aren't they swept away? The ocean can still carry away an entire city. That's exactly why Alex is heading out to inspect one of the anchor systems. And this is where the real secret begins. Like an iceberg, most of the structure is hidden beneath the surface. Every habitat is secured by dozens of ultra-strong anchor cables. But anchoring a city in the middle of the ocean is nearly impossible. The cables aren't anchored to the old skyscrapers themselves. They're drilled deep into reinforced foundations and the bedrock beneath the ancient cities. Once, life filled these streets. Today, the ocean is all that remains. The world's most iconic places now rest beneath the sea. But the ocean isn't a museum. Out here, humans are only visitors. Sometimes nature reminds us of that in just a few seconds. Alex barely makes it out. Now there's only one question. Did the repair hold? As Alex continues his journey, take a look at where the city gets its food. Seaweed, fish, shellfish. Entire agricultural districts now thrive in the middle of the ocean. But even a civilization like this can't defeat the ocean. When the warning system detects a megawave, there's only one thing left to do: get to safety. Because in just a few minutes, everyone will find out whether Alex fixed the anchor or an entire city is about to face the storm unprotected. The storm is over. Alex did it. Only from up here do you realize how enormous this new world has become. It looks like Miller's planet. The difference is, this time, it's Earth. Could you live here?